Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebraic equations for the value of x and y. So we are given 1 over x plus 1 over y equals 1 divided by 7. So we want to see solution from here, and we consider all the values of x that satisfy this. So here is a fraction. We have 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y equals 1 divided by 7. So let's try to remove the fraction here by multiplying by, suppose we multiply by xy. So when we multiply by xy, it means that we have xy, so multiply by 1 divided by x plus xy multiply by 1 divided by y equals xy multiplied by 1 divided by 7. Then from here we can see that x cancelled x and y cancelled y. So having this, so this point we have y plus x equals x will multiply xy will multiply 1, and that will become xy divided by 7. Then if this is divided by 1, let's try and cross multiply. We multiply 7 with this, then we have 7 bracket y plus x equals xy. Then let's open this parenthesis with 7. 7 times y, we have it as 7y plus 7 times x, that is 7x equals xy. Then let's try and transfer this to other side. So they are coming here, and this one becomes, it is positive xy, and when the whole of this come, so this becomes minus 7x, and also we have minus 7y equals 0. So for this and this, we have x that is common to them. Let's take out that x. By taking out x from here, here we have y minus 1, and also here we have minus 7y equals 0. Then looking at this, I'm trying to factorize this out. And if I want to factorize this, I need something like y minus 1 at this side. So how can I get that? It's very simple. Suppose I doubled 7, and which is just in a multiplication form. 7 times 7, that is 49. So let's try and add 49 to both sides. So here you have x into bracket of y minus 1 minus 7y plus 49 equals 0 plus 49. So and that is also 49. So after having this, we have this as x into bracket of y minus 1 minus, so what we can take out here is 7. By taking out 7, we have this as y. Since it is taking negative already, we leave it as positive here. Then this is positive, we are going to leave it as negative, and here is going to be sorry, there is a slight mistake here. So here is going to be, we factor out x, and here becomes 7, and also here is 7, then here is also 7. So then when we factor out 7 here, we have this as 7, then everything equals 49. Then so we have y minus 7 here, and here is also y minus 7. So let's combine the coefficients, which is x and minus 7. We have this as x minus 7, and also this is y minus 7 equals 49. So as far as we have this, it's very simple. So we have to note that this x and y both are member of an integer, so both positive and negative. Then we have to consider all the factors of 49. So at this, if you have 49 here, you can call this one 1 multiplied by 49. We can call it 7 multiplied by 7, and we can also call it 49 multiplied by 1. So that is for the positive part of this. And y for the negative, so you can say have it as minus 1 multiplied by minus 49. You can have it as minus 7 multiplied by minus 7. And we have minus 49 multiplied by minus 1. So let's try and look for all these things. So you check for everything here to know the values of x and the values of y. So therefore we start the solving from here. X minus 7, y minus 7 equals 49. Then here we have, so we get for the first case, which is x minus 7, so this equals 1, and we have y minus 7, and this equals 49. And we can see from here that when we transfer this one to the other side, we are going to have x equals 8, and we transfer this one to the other side, we are going to have y equals 50. When we add this to this, this is 56. So we have x equals 8 and y equals 56. So we consider this as the first solution. And let's try and check if this equals 7 and this equals 7 as well. So let's try and consider this when these two equals to 7. So for the first one, we have our x here equals 14, and also we have y here equals 14. So this is what we get for this as well. And also when we consider the another part here, which is x minus 7 equals 49, and y minus 7 equals 1. Then consider that from here, get the value of x here equals 56, and the value of y equals 8. Then for the other part, x minus 7, so this equals minus 1, and we have y minus 7, this equals minus 49. I try to take this one to the other side. See the value of x here equals 6, and the value of y here, this equals you take this one here, and that equals negative. So I take this here, that is negative 42. And also we have to consider the other part here, which is x minus 7 equals minus 7, and we still have x y minus 7, this equals minus 7. But looking at this, our x here equals 0 and y equals 0. So this is not valid, because the value of x here, if it is 0, it means undefined. So we have to cancel this out, so it's not part of the solution. And y the last one, so when we try that one as well, we are going to get our x equals minus 42, and we get the value of y equals 6. So this is how to solve all this problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.